Let's take a look at the royal family's natal charts. Queen Elizabeth has a Capricorn ascendant, Taurus sun, and Leo moon. Her husband, Prince Philip, has a Leo rising and Leo moon, and a Gemini sun. Their child, Prince Charles, has a Leo rising, just like his mother's moon, and his father's moon and ascendant. A Scorpio sun like his mother's midheaven, and a Taurus moon which is not only his mother's sun sign, but is at 0 degrees Taurus, the exact degree of his mother's sun. Before we look at Prince Charles' children, let's look at the chart of Princess Diana. Princess Diana has a Sagittarius rising, a Cancer sun, and an Aquarius moon. Since she's from a different family, we notice that none of her big three placements are found in the royal family's big three, which makes total sense. However, when we look at Prince William and Prince Harry's charts, we find patterns from both Prince Charles and Princess Diana's charts. William is a Sagittarius rising and a Cancer sun, just like his mother. And Harry is a Capricorn rising, just like his grandmother, and a Taurus moon, just like his father's moon and his grandmother's sun. Let's take a final look at Prince William's family. And for that, we will introduce Duchess Catherine's chart. Catherine is a Leo rising, a Capricorn sun, and a Cancer moon, sharing her big three with many members of the royal family, even if there is no blood connection. This may explain why, unlike Princess Diana, she seems to be fitting in so well with the royal family. Now let's take a look of the charts of William and Kate's children. Prince Louis is a Cancer rising, just like his father's sun and moon, and his grandmother's sun. Prince Louis is a Leo moon, just like his great-grandmother's moon, his great-grandfather's moon and rising, his grandfather's rising, and his mother's rising. And Prince Louis is a Taurus moon, like his great-grandmother's sun, and his grandfather's moon. Princess Charlotte is a Cancer rising, just like her grandmother's sun, her father's sun and moon, and her mother's moon. She is a Taurus sun, like her great-grandmother's sun, and her grandfather's moon, and a Libra moon, which is a reflection of her parents' Libra stellium. Finally, Prince George is a Scorpio rising, like his great-grandmother's midheaven, and his grandfather's sun. Prince George is a Capricorn moon, like his great-grandmother's ascendant, and his mother's sun. And Prince George is a Cancer sun, like his grandmother's sun, his father's sun and moon, and his mother's moon. This short exercise alone can convince anyone that family astrology works. Thanks to this exercise, we also see how some family members inherit energies from one side of the family prominently. Prince William, for example, inherited all of his big three placements from his mother, and his appearance and personality do remind us more of Diana rather than Charles. Princess Charlotte, who shares the same sun sign placement with her great-grandmother Queen Elizabeth, is often referred to as Queen Elizabeth's mini-me. This proves that we pass down our natal chart placements, much like we do our own DNA.